So cost accounting. Today I will explain cost sheet. Cost sheet used for estimation of the cost purpose. So this cost sheet is very important for cost accounting. Today I will explain only cost sheet pro forma. If you know the statement easily getting the problems and how to prepare the cost sheet easily you are getting. Today I will explain cost sheet. Everyone should listen carefully easily getting the cost sheet only. So this cost sheet you today you are learned in cost sheet. It is very easy statement. Easily you are getting the cost statement. It is useful for in our manufacturing unit also. In first you are adding direct material consumed. Direct material consumed. Direct material consumed you are mentioned here. In direct material consumed, and then you are adding the direct labor, direct material consumed, direct labor, direct labor also. In direct labor or another name labor or other name direct wages, both names are same. In direct material consumed into marks and direct wages into marks. Now you are adding direct expenses. In now direct expenses also added. Now you are getting the prime cost. Prime cost you are getting. If you are adding these three values, you are getting the prime cost. So you are adding these three values. Now you are getting the prime cost. You are adding direct material consumed, direct labor, direct expenses. You are getting the prime cost. Prime cost you are getting. After that, add. After that, you are adding factory overheads. Factory overheads you are added. In factory overheads you are adding. So if you are adding the factory overheads and any less, if you given any scrap scrap value, scrap value or salvage value, you are added. So finally you are getting the this value factory overheads value and scrap value. Finally you are getting the cost value. This cost is added to the prime cost. This value is added to the prime cost. For now you are getting the gross factory cost. Factory cost. Gross factory cost you are getting. Gross factory cost. Now that value is here. Write down the value. This is the gross factory cost. In next, add add opening work in progress. Opening work in progress. Write down the inner column. Less closing work in progress. These two values write down the inner column. Final value write down the outer column. Now you are getting the factory cost. Factory cost you are getting. Another name work cost. Both names are same. This is the factory cost or work cost. Now you are getting the factory cost or cost. Next you are add. Now you are adding office and admin expenses. Office and admin expenses now you are added. Office and admin expenses now you are added. You are getting the some value. Now that value write on the outer column. Now you are getting production of goods manufactured. Production of goods manufactured. Write down the outer column. Now you are adding fact office and administrative expenses. You are getting the production of goods manufactured. In next one, add opening. Now add opening finished goods. Finished goods, write down the inner column, and less closing finished goods. Less finished closing finished goods also write on the inner column. Finally, you write on the outer column. That finally you are getting the cost of production. Cost of production. This is the cost of production. Now you are getting cost of production. This is the cost of production. After that, you are adding selling and distribution expenses. You're adding selling and distribution expenses. Now you are getting the cost of sales. Cost of sales you are getting. I'm increasing the size. So you are adding selling and distribution expenses. Now you are getting the cost of sales. Cost of sales. Finally, you are adding the profit. Finally, you are getting the profit. Finally, you are adding the profit. Finally, you are getting the sales value. This is the cost sheet. Again, I will explain this cost sheet. First, you are adding direct material consumed, direct labor, direct expenses. If you are adding these three values, you are getting the prime cost. Next, you are adding factory overheads, less scrap value. Finally, you are getting the gross factory cost. Next, you are adding opening work in progress, closing work in progress. Next, you are getting the factory cost or work cost. Next, you are adding office and administrative expenses. Now you are getting the production of goods manufactured. In next, add opening finished goods, less closing finished goods. You are getting the cost of production. In cost of production, you are getting. Next, selling and distribution expenses you are adding in getting the cost of sales, and then you are adding the profit. Finally, you are getting the sale value. This is the sales. Finally, you are getting. This is the cost sheet. In cost sheet short way you are easily learn. I will show you. If you are adding direct material, direct labor, direct expenses, you are getting the prime cost. In prime cost, if you are adding these three values, you are getting the prime cost. After that, you are adding the factory overheads, you are getting the factory cost or work cost. So you are adding prime cost and factory cost, you are getting factory cost or work cost, and then you are adding office and administrative expenses. Now you are getting the cost of production. In cost of production, you are adding selling and distribution expenses, that is the cost of sales. In cost of sales, you are adding the profit. In finally, you are getting sales. If you in cost sheet, here direct material consumed in one more working note is required. So that working note you are maintained. How to calculate, I will explain here. Working note number 1, direct material consumed. Direct material consumed. First you write on the opening stock of raw material. That is the opening stock of raw material. Next, add purchase of raw material. That is also added. In next one, add carriage inward. Carriage inward also added. In next, less closing stock of raw material, you are deducted. Next, less returns goods return to supplier, that is also deducted. And finally, you are getting the direct material consumed value. See this one, you are calculating direct material consumed. First, you write down the opening stock of raw material, add purchase of raw material, add carriage inward, less closing stock of raw material, less goods returned to supplier. If you are returning any goods, that is the deductible. So now you are getting the direct material consumed. You are preparing the working note also. This is total cost sheet statement. In next class, I will explain one problem for this statement. This is the class number 1. All of you like and subscribe. I will do the so many videos you are easily getting. So please like and subscribe this video. Thank you.